Okay, I'm Jake Benson. I'm with LibraTax. I'm the founder. We do tax software for Bitcoin. It's one of the biggest nightmares out there right now, especially in light of the IRS guidance, which declared in the US Bitcoin as a property and other digital currencies. So accounting for that is a big challenge. I'm going to show you, I don't have a PowerPoint, but I'm just going to demo my product here and let it speak for itself. So let's get started. I will sign in. Here's my transactions. I'm going to create a new account so you can watch them come in actually. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you get started. Try to make it very user-friendly so you don't have to be a CPA to do your taxes. You will import your transactions. Now, we're linked up with Coinbase right now, but we want to link up with all exchanges, wallets, payment processors as well. There's other ways to import your transaction history. You can go directly to the blockchain, and we actually use Chain's API to do that and retrieve your transactions. And if you'd like to stay anonymous, you can upload a CSV with no personal information. But the greatest way is to directly link your account, so I'll do that through Coinbase right now. And authorize the link. There's my transactions. Go back to history. Now here they are. Now taxes are pretty complicated and the type of transaction matters. We need to go through here and we default everything as sales and purchases, but in certain circumstances you've got transfers to and from other wallets, so I'm going to go and configure some of my transactions here and say maybe this was a gift sent. That has a special type of tax consideration. Let's say this one's a donation. And then for incoming transactions, let's say this one, oh, I mined this, so this is income. You can go through and also name your addresses, so it's very easy to keep track. Once you rename an address, it renames all the other ones, so it's very easy to keep track. And one of the very convenient things we do was when we import the transactions, we can either take the specific exchange price that you paid for the Bitcoins in trading, buying and selling. But if it's just a transfer on the blockchain, there's actually no specific exchange rate tied to that transaction. So in that case, we need to take the fair market value. And then our system comes in, and when you see this little M here, that means we go and fetch the fair market price for that day. And for reporting purposes, that is plenty fine to report your gains and losses based on fair market value. So this is my complete transaction history with Coinbase. Now I'm done. I will click calculate, and boom, right away we get what our short-term gains are. I didn't have any long-term gains, but we separate those. We track how much income you've made, so that's good for miners or anybody paid in Bitcoin. We've got your gift sent, and we've got your donation sent. They're all different. We have the different cost basis methods too. So in the US, it's not required that you use FIFO or LIFO. Under selective method, you can choose your own lots, or that's what we've done here with LibraTax optimized, and you'll see really quick, it reduces your reportable gains very significantly. This was recently reviewed by Ryan Selkis. You might know him as a 2-bit idiot, and he said it saved him $1,000 on his taxes. So this is going to be ready for 2013 taxes. If you extended, you can use this tool. It'll be ready, we launch in September. And in many circumstances, if you use LIFO, or especially this optimized method, will typically give you the least amount of gains that are reported. Now, we give you all sorts of reports too. And we can track your balances, your incoming and what would be tax lots, your outgoing transactions, which are all your sales, and that's basically your Schedule D, and then our LibraTax matrix, where we go and transaction by transaction tell you your realized gains and losses, whether it was a gift or donation, short or long term. You can export this to Excel. We're also working with Intuit right now to get this to directly upload into TurboTax. So this is a supplement to the TurboTax system, and that's our product. We're going to save people a lot of time and money with this. So we want to integrate with everybody. I think anybody, whether you're a business, a consumer, a CPA, this is going to help you account with your Bitcoins. We can't wait to add multi-country support too, so we need some resources for that. And we've got some other really cool, interesting products on the way too. We do accounting stuff. This is just our first product. There's other stuff I want to do with payroll as well. So if you get in touch with me, I'll give you an invite to the private beta that we're running right now, and see how you like it.